somehow we made it. But thanks to the parish youth, because of your efforts, today we could see this day today. तांच्यांनी effort केला ताका लागून आमकां आयज हांगासर fishing competition पळोवपाक मेळ्ळें. And we wish you all the best for all your future programs that you will organize. Okay? And thank you to all the sponsors. I know because all the sponsors here, without sponsors, the things would not happen. Rajesh Dabholkar, always an open-hearted guy and always helping out here. And as well as usual, always there to support everyone.
साऊंड आलं 2 किलो घेऊन चालतोय
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.